Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, I'm glad you returned. I'm very glad you returned. So today I'm going to do a scarf tutorial. So I'm going to basically just style my scarves. And most of the scarves, I don't know where I got them. The ones I do know, I will put them down in the description, but I really doubt I know any. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So everyone, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to be taking off. This is me in all my natural hair glory. So I normally use this. My mom got it for me when I was in Nigeria, so I could use it to make buns when I cut my hair. Yeah, so I put this over my head. So all I basically did was cross it over. So I'm going to do that again. So I crossed it over like this. And then wrap it over the full bun I have going on. And then you guys can see how it looks from the side and from the back. So the bun I put underneath helped to build my bun. Okay, so I'm going to use this thing again. But this time, I am going to flip it around. Do this, and it's going to like this. Fix it up. This could be a look, you know. But I am going to twist this, twist this, twist this, twist this. Just like it, please. Just endeavor to like and subscribe, okay?